Hi everyone, welcome back to Auto News. Today, we're diving into something small but seriously interesting, the 2025 Bajaj Qute. Now, don't let its size fool you. This compact quadricycle is making waves for all the right reasons. Bajaj has always been known for innovation in the budget mobility segment, and with the 2025 update of the Qute, they've taken things to a whole new level. Whether you're looking for a city runabout, a shared transport option, or a smart alternative to two-wheelers, this vehicle deserves your attention. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's talk design first. The 2025 Bajaj Qute gets a mild refresh. It still holds on to its boxy, practical shape, which is what gives it that distinctive identity. The updated model gets new color options, slightly tweaked headlights with improved visibility, and better overall finish. It's not a car that's trying to be flashy, it's a car that's trying to make sense. And in a traffic-heavy country like India, that's exactly what we need. Compact, agile, and easy to park. This is urban mobility, redefined. Under the hood, the Qute still comes with the 216.6cc single-cylinder engine. It's offered in both petrol and CNG versions, with the CNG being a favorite for commercial users because of its unbeatable fuel economy. Don't expect it to race, for this engine produces around 13 horsepower. But for its weight and purpose, that's more than enough. It's light, efficient, and does the job without breaking a sweat. The top speed is around 70 km/h, which makes it ideal for city roads. It's not trying to be a highway cruiser, it's trying to be a reliable city companion. One of the major highlights of the 2025 version is its improved comfort and utility. Bajaj has worked on the suspension a bit to make the ride less bumpy, especially on rough Indian roads. The cabin, while still basic, feels slightly more refined. There's more sound insulation now, and the seats are more ergonomic. You get a basic digital meter, mobile charging port, and some added storage options inside. Remember, it's not a luxury car, it's a smart tool for everyday transport. Now, what really makes the Bajaj Qute a winner in its category is the running cost. With a mileage of over 35 km/L in the petrol variant and nearly 45 km/kg in the CNG variant, it's one of the cheapest ways to get around on four wheels. Not to mention, the maintenance costs are super low, and it's easy to repair almost anywhere. This makes it a favorite for small business owners, delivery services, and even families looking for safe and weather-protected travel. To sum it up, the 2025 Bajaj Qute isn't about luxury or performance, it's about practicality, affordability, and a smarter way to travel in crowded cities. If you're someone looking for a cost-effective, compact, and low-maintenance vehicle, the new Qute is definitely worth checking out. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto News for more updates on the latest in the auto world. See you in the next